Travis channel here, just hanging out. It's my WRX channel. You're watching right now. See you guys. Cool.
That's gonna be a great video.
Oh, they did send it. Cool.
Oh, I was about to say, man.
Yeah.
That should be like a plug and play harness.
Yep. I don't know how this one go. A little too bright, but you can tell under the grill.
You got gold?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so in case you're wondering, we got Charles in his Hyper Blue STI. We're about to install some stuff, some goodies, as you can see here. You got the exhaust from ETS. Baller exhaust, man.
Oh yeah.
Alright, exhaust install is going real smooth, pretty easy. It just sucks we don't have a lift, so we're just doing this on the ramp, so kind of a tight space. I'm not the skinniest guy in the world, but I fit under there. But yeah, so we just got the first pipe in there, now white pipe, and then the mufflers. Pretty simple install.
Over here trying to take off this STI badge and transfer it to JDM grill. No more USDM.
It's gone. There you go.
Blew a fuse on the horn, which I rarely use, so well, I got the horn kit, so it's gonna be used a lot now, especially on these Washington roads. Oh yeah.
Hey, turn it on, man. Let's hear the horns real quick.
Alright. Hella loud.
Hella loud.
Hella loud.
Yeah, man. Tell us exactly what we all did today, man. A little productive work day we had here.
So today we did the exhaust, the ETS, the Extreme catback. Sounds wonderful. First mods, my first couple mods I put on today, so very excited. Got my wheels installed yesterday, so I'll be rolling. More mods to come, I know that, so most definitely just gotta save more car parts. So I got the Work Kiwami and the matte bronze. The specs are 18 by 9.5, and then the offset was plus 38. And I got the Michelin Pilot Super Sports, which are 265 35/18. I've been having a lot of troubles with car parts. I didn't get my lug nuts from RAV Spec. They're supposed to be sending them, so I had to borrow from my buddy Colton. Came through in the clutch, so I'll have some work lug nuts on there soon, so it'll be great.
Alright, here's the final installed product. It's the ETS Extreme, no mufflers, no resonators, no nothing. You can see. Fitment was pretty much on point. I'd say 9.5 out of 10. Other than that, definitely worth the money. Woo!
ETS, oh my God, thank you. Woo. Oh man.
Hey Charles, tell us where we can find you at, man.
You can find me on Instagram, AirCharlie. That's my Instagram. I don't really use my Twitter no more. Just hit me up on Instagram. I usually reply, so most definitely, if you guys want to follow this car and this transformation, definitely follow.
Good to go. And I'll have a link to his description down below so you can find him. Good to go.
Thanks for coming out tonight. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with me.